Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll continue with lesson number 22, Adavu number 2. So in this Adavu also we will be using 3 Pataka Hasta. So let's begin. First I'll show the feet movement. You have to take Adavu posture and start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ta, te, ta, thi, te, ta. In first beat, you have to take Alita posture. Then in the second beat, Prenkhana posture. Then you have to tap your feet. 1, 2, 3. Ta, te, ta, thi, te, ta. Now I do the hand gesture. You have to hold 3 Pataka Hasta and start. Ta, te, ta, thi, te, ta. 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 So in first beat, while you are doing Alita position, you have to stretch your hand. The same hand, if you are doing the right side, you have to do the right hand and place it downwards. Then the second beat, while doing Prenkhana posture, your hand will go up near to the ears and elbow will be bent little and you have to look up. Take. Then in third beat, you have to tap your feet and bring the hand in original position.